Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Friday. So this video I'm going to be showing you guys the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Balm little kit that I purchased a couple days ago and it barely arrived yesterday. This little kit had been released since last year and it's been on sale for Sephora this year off and on, but I have missed the opportunity to buy it. So hey, when it came available a couple days ago, I was like, why not? It's on sale. And it says that it's $30 US regularly and $40 Canadian, and $65 US value and $86 value for Canadian. So I wanted to try it. It's 2 full sizes and 3 little minis right there. And I have never tried these little products before, so this is a great opportunity to try them in case you want to save some money, which who doesn't want to save money, right? Okay, these are the little sizes it comes in. So I think that the only ones are the coconut from the Sephora lip balm and the Pat McGrath Labs, and the rest are just little mini sizes. So I got that. I'll show you guys right now the products. And then for the samples, I got the Gizu, I believe it's called, honey infused hair oil. And that's cute. They give you a good little size sample. I don't want to open it right now because I want to save it for later. And this is facial cream, oil-free gel cream from Summer Fridays. And then 0.0 ounces. It says right there. And then the little directions right there. But yeah, I never tried that brand new either. So we'll see how we like it. And this little Sephora little baggie. It even has the Sephora logo right here on the zipper. Let me see if it's double-sided. Yes, good quality, little sturdy, small, little travel size bag. So let me start opening this bag to show you guys the products that you get in here. Okay, this one is the Sephora coconut lip balm. I don't want to open it right now, guys, because I don't want to use these products right now. Okay, so I have that one there, full size, and then there's the Pat McGrath one. So cute. Right there. And then the name of this one is the Nude Venice in $5.91. Right there. Excuse my nails, I hadn't done them. Okay, the next one is going to be the Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. Get a nice little size for this portion. And this one is around, I think, $30-something. So great way to try that little one. I've been wanting to try it. And this is the Ilia little hydrating mask lip product. And then right here it says some information about it. Okay. Okay, and this is the little Tarte Jelly Glaze. Right there, you guys can see the info. Lip mask, very small little portion, like a pinky size, and it says it's a strawberry jelly. Never tried this one before, so that'd be fun to try that one. So yeah, and then here it doesn't come with pockets or nothing, but just a regular little bag. So it's pretty nice, you know, that they include that there. And yeah, that's what I got from this little lip kit. And this is a great way to save, guys, because if you're new to Sephora or anything, they usually have some of these bags like Sephora Favorites, and they do them yearly. So this year was the little pink one, and this last year was this little one. So that's a great way to save money and buy products like this, deluxe and mini sizes, and sometimes it comes with full sizes, just like it shows in the packaging right here. So you can try different brands. That is their favorite. So that's a great way to save money, because if you would buy these ones individually, it will be what it says right there on the retail price. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quick in case you guys were interested in this little kit. The sale, again, it comes on and off. So sometimes it's available, sometimes it's not, but you have to keep looking, or just put in on the Sephora website on your account to notify you when it's there, so you can buy it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Say bye, mommies. Okay, talk to you guys later, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, bye.